Turkesterone. Turkesterone is the new kid on the block. We've brought it out under the Never Enough Nutrition label. We've called it its proper name, but it's Turkesterone. And there's a lot of misinformation, as always. A lot of marketing BS about this is a great testosterone booster, blah de blah de blah. Well, I haven't really seen any evidence suggest it boosts your testosterone. So ladies, you're in here. This is one you can take. Not that you can't take a testosterone booster that's natural anyway, but this one is more, it works more anabolically on different mechanical pathways in the body, which is kind of cool. So what you're going to get from Turkesterone, ideally, and ours is one of the purest out there. We don't do a 50-50 split with rice flour or anything like that. You're getting the pure, real deal, high grade, high quality. But what you will get is this anabolic effect on the body. Now, that word scares people straight away, the word anabolic. So people automatically think massive. Well, that depends on your diet, your training, and your genetics. If you want to get lean on it, you'll get lean on it. If you want to get athletic and more endurance on it, this is brilliant. It works in a couple of different ways. So it'll increase endurance. It'll help increase recovery. It will actually target fat burning. So, if you want them chiseled abs and you're nearly there, Turkesterone is possibly worth a look. One thing I definitely know that it benefits the body with is it increases protein synthesis in the body. So that's kind of how we utilize protein efficiently. So as we ingest proteins in our diet or through supplementation, amino acids, etc., they need to be utilized in the body efficiently to help increase and speed up repair of damaged muscle. Turkesterone does this by enhancing protein synthesis. So straight away, I'm in Turkesterone from someone who's training hard, no matter what your field, and it's a natural product, it's a plant. So you're in here if you're in a natural level playing field, brilliant. The other thing it does is it will increase nitrogen retention. Now that doesn't mean a lot to people, but when your body is in a positive nitrogen balance, you're repairing and growing. So the key to success in any form of athletics, sport, bodybuilding and powerlifting, the real key to development is hopefully your protein synthesis is working efficiently. It is if you're taking Turkesterone, but more importantly, we need to keep you in this positive nitrogen balanced state throughout the day. And if you're in that state throughout the day, you're repairing, you're burning fat, you're getting stronger, you're getting faster, you're getting quicker. Boom. This is what Turkesterone seems to be able to do in the body. This natural plant seems to be able to make this anabolic switch in the body, which is dramatic for people who just want to take something that's really natural, it's not going to mess with their hormones or anything like that. So Turkesterone is one I would put in with my stack of Tonka Ali, rhodiola, and Turkesterone I put in together. And to me, that is going to be like my go-to stack from now on. And I'm also taking Fedosia agrestis because actually there's a deal on in the shop and that will just bring everything together beautifully. So them four products, naturally, I like natural roids without any negatives whatsoever. So Turkesterone, don't believe all the hype. It's not going to suddenly make you produce more testosterone like Tonka Ali will. Absolutely. Ashwagandha, adaptogenic, works in different ways again. So rhodiola, amazing. People don't know how good rhodiola is. I've really got into rhodiola over the years. It still hasn't become trendy. And watch this space. Rhodiola, I'm telling you now, is going to be the biggest thing on the planet in a year or two. The research I've done on that, and you've heard it here first at Never Enough Nutrition. Look out at our max strength rhodiola. Try it. Try a bottle. I'm not even telling you what it does. Just try a bottle. You'll love me for it. So yeah, Turkesterone, definitely worth looking into. However, like everything, you get the real deal, ours, and other products that are good up there. There's some really good companies out there, and you get the rubbish. Just be aware what you're buying. Take it easy, guys. That's Turkesterone for you. Definitely worth a go if you're serious. You want to keep it natural, serious about recovery and getting those gains, those goals, hitting those achievements, living the dream. Turkesterone might be the answer. Cheers, have a great day. Bye.